In this video, we are going to focus on two things. One, learning how to write great content for your audience. Learning how to optimize your content for different search engines like Google. You are an online writer or business owner, you always have to look for effective ways to optimize the content of your website or your business. This is to engage your audience interest. You need to focus on SEO value for your online content. Your objective is to increase viewership. Similar content is the ideal tool for you. If you're just starting with your career as an SEO writer, your ultimate question is, what can you do to help your content rank higher on different search engines? So many tools and strategies available online, it could be difficult to choose which one is the best. This video will help make proper use of your best strategy on SEO writing. So this is similar content. This is the SEO tool that I am referring to, wherein they have different features inside. They have LSI keywords tool. They have readability checker. They have Google ranking predictor. So you can predict as to what is the search ranking position of your content. They also have topic ideas generator. So this similar content tool has a lot of features inside. They have like a topic topic ideas generator. So this is like a keyword research or topic research tool. They also have content relevance tool, wherein they have a keyword audit to discover primary and secondary target keywords for your content. They also have keyword coverage tool, wherein it will gauge or measure TF-IDF score for your content. They also have target keyword tool. This is similar to keyword research tool. And then they have subtopic ideas generator. So you can also use their subtopic ideas for your post. And then you can also grab this feature that I have inside similar content, which is ranking predictor. This will predict where your content will rank. And then they also have extra tools inside. They have SEO content editor. They have backlinks difficulty. They have keyword density tool. And they have topic ideas generator and their ranking predictor. Inside the tools, they also have content rewriter. So they have this also this tool inside, which is the content rewrite tool that I have inside. Okay, so let's go back. So if you want to increase your content relevance, you can definitely use similar content. And if you want a better content for SEO, friendly content, this is the best way to do it. So this is the function that they have inside, the features that similar content offer. Okay. Okay. They have this SEO optimization checker, the subtopic ideas for your post. Like I mentioned earlier, they have this ranking predictor wherein you can predict the ranking position of your content. They have check readability. They have special tools inside. They have SEO content editor. They have keyword density tool, backlinks difficulty, and all that. Now let's check the proof. That they have. Okay. See how Google understood the fairly optimized text. Okay. See how Google understand. See how Google understand the SEO optimized text. See, search result is Barack Obama in here. So see how Google. If you want proof, so we're going to check of the proof for how efficient similar content is. So as you can see here, let's check this out. This is an optimized text. Let's see how Google understand the fairly, not really optimized text. As you can see here, they have, it has a very poor result, search result in here. So let us check a fully optimized text. There you go, an aquatic creatures. So it brings you the right search result for that particular text. So that is how similar content works.